Hello, it is time for the practical exam. Many of you might not know what a practical exam is. It is a common type of exams that are given in science classes, but particularly anatomy. It is basically where you would have a question and you have to answer that question within a short amount of time, and in anatomy it's usually name the structure. There's going to be some type of image or of a bone or a muscle, and you have to type in the correct answer with the correct spelling. Spelling counts. So you will find in the document files two documents with the names of all the structures you have to know. There are many bones and muscles in the human body, more than I want you to know. So what you want to do is open up these two Word documents. One is called Muscles to Know for the lab, and here is the list of the muscles that you actually have to know right through here. Like I said, there's many of more that are out there, so I am saving you some time. This one is the actual skeletal features and bones that you have to know. And right here you see a bone called the frontal bone, and then you see an indentation right underneath it. That means that is a landmark that you can find on the frontal bone. There's many different features and little fissures and cracks and structures for each bone that you also have to know. So if it has an indentation, that means you have to know that term as well, and it'll be highlighted in the pictures that I'm going to go over and show you how to learn these structures. But what you're going to do is print these up, each sheet, and you're going to start at the top, and you're going to learn frontal bone. Then you're going to find out where the coronal suture is, and then you're going to go work your way down this list with the parietal bone and the sagittal suture, and you're going to go all the way through, and you're going to learn these right through here. It might seem like a lot, but it is actually a very pared down list of what it is in the human body. So where do you learn this? Well, I'm over here in the McGraw-Hill side of the course, and I'm going to scroll down till you see this word resources, and it says Anatomy Physiology Revealed. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open this up right through here, and you see something that says My Course Content and Module right through here. I'm going to click on the word module. There are only two that you want to concentrate on is skeletal and muscular right through here. So I'm going to click on skeletal, and I'm going to select a topic and look at all these different parts. What you're going to want to eventually do is compare the list of the Word document to some of the terms on right through here. But I'm going to start here with the skull, because the skull is very generic of a term, and there's a lot to it. I can look at an anterior view of the skull right through here, and this is all it is showing, and it's highlighted over here. But if you look on the list, you'll see that frontal bone is named, and you will see that the frontal bone is highlighted right through here. But if you think about it, that's only one view, and you don't know which view is going to be on the practical. So you might want to go for a lateral view also. And you can see that this would have been the frontal bone right through here, and they highlighted it there. But while you're here, it's often not a bad idea to go ahead and look at your list and see what else you can click on. There's the coronal suture highlighted right through there. So if you get an image on the practical and it says what is this feature, and it shows that highlighted, you would type in coronal suture. So what you're going to do is go through that, and you're going to do it for the muscular system. So over here on the muscles, you're going to want to go to the module, go to the muscular system right through there. We're going to you're going to want to go up here to the upper section. You don't really need to know the attachments. So we're going to pick the abdomen right through here, and it shows a undissected cadaver at this point. And you're going to look on your list, and you're going to look only for the ones that actually are on the list right through there. And you can click on it, and it shows that it is highlighted for the internal abdominal obliques, or the rectus abdominis right through there. And you would come back up, and you would look at the shoulder and the arm right through there, and you'd say, let me see the anterior view. You can see brachioradialis is down here. the deltoid, and it shows it highlighted right through there. And if it's on the list, you would actually go through and click each one of these and learn them. So the practical is coming up. It'll be open for only a couple of days. It is a timed exam. You only have a short amount of time. The instructions will be there. And once you answer a question, you will not be able to go back and change your mind. So once you're definitely sure that that is your answer, you click next and you move on to the next question. Email me if you have any questions.